So I figured I'd share a project with you guys that I'm working on. Basically, this is a drain from a pond up here. My grandpa buried whatever this monstrosity is, and the other end rotted out, so the pond level's like way low. So my plan is to, and I've already started, I have to build up a whole bank, almost like a peninsula, and I'm going to block it off and put in a pipe to control the water level. I'm going to walk you through the drain and we'll pop out at the pond if I can climb out. Fill it out. Alright, so we're here. And this is what we're working with. That's what rotted out. Try not to cut myself. And here we are. So the water level used to roll over that lip. I'm soaked. And that rotted out. So we paid someone to fix it years ago and they did an absolutely horrible job. So I had to rip that out because he didn't even pitch a pipe right. It was just a cluster. But this is my, I call them land bridges. Basically, I take brush that otherwise would be a nuisance and I lay it all down, then I get dirt and I layer over rather than buying a whole bunch of fill. And honestly, it works out pretty good. Probably need a mini excavator to do it well. So that's the current plan. I'm going to take some of this pipe after I get this all built up and raised up, you know, to this level. I'm going to coat it in clay, and then the plan is to put a pipe in with an elbow on it, and then it'll all drop through the pipe, hopefully. Hopefully the pipe's big enough, because I don't really want to go buy a new one. But if that doesn't work, I'll tear it out and put a bigger one in. Here's some material I've been stocking up to add to the land bridge. There's literally probably like, I don't know, 20-25 dump trailer loads of either dirt or brush in here. So if you're interested, I'm going to post more videos and we'll see if it works out. Bubba, come! Say hi to Bubba. He's living his best life out here. I hope you guys have a fantastic day.